Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I am bringing you how to make the extended front post single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. As usual, I have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. As you can see, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. The main body of my swatch is made up of single crochet stitches. Over here on the row that I am working, I have already made 2 chains, and I have made 1 extended single crochet stitch, just a regular one, in this first stitch right here. So to begin the extended front post stitch, you are going to insert your hook in between these stitches right here. You're basically going to be working around this post, which is a single crochet post. This is where you would insert your hook. You're going to go around behind that post. You're then going to grab your yarn that you're working with. You're going to bring it around behind that post, and this is where you would do just a regular extended single crochet, right? You're going to yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay? So that's 1 extended front post made. I'm going to do a regular single crochet in the next stitch right here. Sorry, a regular extended. If you need to learn how to do the regular extended, I do have a video on that. I will have it listed up and down below. So we're going to go ahead and do the next one. This is where you would insert your hook. You're basically working into the previous row. You're going to be working in between the stitches, right? You're going to insert your hook here. You're going to go around that post. Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it around that post, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay? I'm going to do a regular extended in this next one. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go around that post right there. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through. You're then going to yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops. I'm going to do a regular extended here. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook, go around that post from behind, grab that yarn, you're going to pull it around that post, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook, go around that post, you're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through, you're going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm just making a regular extended in this last one. Okay, and so if you look up close, you can see the texture. You can see how these front post stitches are raised, and the regular ones that I had made are sort of recessed into the back of your work. This is going to be the back if you flip it over. You can see this ridge is forming right here. It's great to add some texture to any of your projects. Okay. Please feel free to reach out if you guys have any questions on any stitches that I make. Please leave me some feedback on future videos that you would like to see. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.